Set B, question number 43. The question says tangent and normal are drawn at P 16,16 on the parabola y square equal to 16x, which intersect the x-axis of the axis of the parabola at points A and B, respectively. If C is the center of the circle through the points P, A and B, and if angle CPB is theta, then we have to find the value of tan theta. Let's see how do we solve this question. The very first thing that we are planning to do is find out the coordinates of A and B, because only if I get the coordinates of A and B, I will get some information about the circle passing through points P, A, B, because the coordinates of point P are also given to us. To get coordinates of A and B, we will have to get equation of tangent and normal. So let's do that first. For the equations, we'll require slope, and slope will be obtained by finding dy by dx. So you can see that the given curve is nothing but y square equal to 16x, and therefore if I just differentiate this, I get 2y dy by dx equal to 16, and this further gives me dy by dx equal to, therefore dy by dx is equal to 8 by y. So what will be slope of tangent? Slope of tangent at 16, 16 will be nothing but dy by dx at x equal to 16, y equal to 16, which will be 8 by y at y equal to 16, and that will be nothing but half. 8 by 16 will be half. So slope of tangent becomes equal to half. Now we know that the tangent is also passing through point 16, 16. So what will be equation of tangent? Equation of tangent line will be nothing but y minus y1, which is 16, equal to x minus x1. x1 is also 16, and this will be multiplied by the slope, which is half. This gives me 2y minus 32 equal to x minus 16, and therefore 2y, as you can see, I can keep x here, and this will be nothing but plus 16. Now, what will be coordinates of point A? The question says tangent will intersect the axis of the parabola at point A. Now you can see that y square equal to 16x, if we try to draw this particular parabola, we can see that it's a standard parabola and it is symmetric to x-axis. This is how the parabola will look like, and hence the axis of the parabola is nothing but x-axis. So if I consider a tangent, so let's say this is the tangent line, and let's say this is the normal, then these are the points we are talking about. This is point A and this is point B. Point A will be on x-axis, and hence coordinates of point A will be nothing but its y coordinate will be 0. Now in this equation, if I put y equal to 0, then I will get x equal to minus 16. So coordinates of point will become minus 16, 0. Now let us find out equation of the normal. To get equation of the normal, I will require slope of normal. Slope of normal will be nothing but equal to minus 1 upon slope of tangent, which will be minus 2. So equation of normal becomes, it will be nothing but y minus 16 equal to minus 2 into x minus 16, because normal also passes through the same point. Now this will further become, you can see that y equal to, this is minus 2x, and this will be plus 32, and 16 comes on this side, so that will become 32 plus 16, which will be nothing but plus 48. So can we now find out coordinates of point B? So we can see that B lies on the x-axis again. So for coordinates of point B, we will consider y equal to 0. So if I put y equal to 0, then x will be nothing but, you can see that 24. So B becomes 24, 0. So we have got coordinates of A and B, and this point is nothing but point P, which is 16, 16, at which the tangents and normals are drawn. So now what do we conclude, students? This is 90 degree because both will be perpendicular, tangents and normals. And let's say there is a circle passing through A, P, B, passing through all these 3 points, and let's say somewhere here is the center of the circle, let me call it C. Now you can see that if circle is passing through points A and B, and P also lies on a circle, then it simply means that AB must be the diameter, because diameter will always make a 90-degree angle on the circumference of the circle. So we conclude that AB will be diameter. Now if AB is diameter, so we will write down that conclusion first. Since angle APB is equal to 90 degree, we conclude that AB is diameter. Now because AB is diameter and because C is the center of the circle, AC will be equal to BC. So we further conclude that AC is equal to BC, and that means C is the midpoint of AB. The moment we say AB is a diameter, C is the center, C has to be the midpoint of the diameter. So if C is the midpoint of the diameter, what will be coordinates of point C? Coordinate of a midpoint when endpoints of a line segment are given is something we can find out. So it will be nothing but average of x coordinates. So it's minus 16 plus 24. Minus 16 plus 24 will be 8. 8 by 2 will be 4. And y coordinate is 0. So y coordinate will remain 0 for point C as well. So we have got the coordinates of point C, which is 4, 0. Now the question says there is an angle theta which is CPB. CPB, let me connect point C and P. So if I connect them, then this is the angle I form, CPB. This angle is theta, and we have to find out the value of tan theta. So do we already know the slope of PB? Slope of PB, let me call it M1, is something we already know because PB is the normal and slope of normal is available right here, it's minus 2. Do we know slope of CP? CP is another line. Let me call it M2. Slope of CP is not directly available, but can I calculate? Yes, because coordinates of point P are given to us 16, 16, and coordinates of point C is something we have just now found out, which is 4, 0. So this will be 16 minus 0 upon 16 minus 4, and that will be 16 by 12, and this is further equal to 4 by 3. Now there are two lines. We know slopes of both the lines, and we want to find out the angle between the two lines. The lines are PB and CP. So we have this formula. If theta is the angle between them, then tan theta is given by M1 minus M2 upon 1 plus M1 M2. So here M1 is nothing but minus 2 minus M2 is nothing but 4 by 3 upon 1 plus this will be minus 2 into 4 by 3. So if I solve this, I will get this is minus 6 minus 4, that's minus 10 upon 3 will cancel out. This is 3 minus 8, which is nothing but minus 5. So minus 10 by minus 5 will be nothing but 2. So we can see that the value of tan theta is nothing but 2, which is nothing but option number 4.
Explore more about the topics you love with Toppr. Subscribe now and keep learning.